Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe. So this recipe is called bread pizza, and this recipe you can make in just 1 minute guys. So let's start. So for this recipe what you need some brown bread, or you can use the white bread also, and some chopped veggies, that is up to your choice. Here is the pizza paste, some mozzarella cheese, and the oregano, and some basil, the fresh basil leaves, and some chili flakes and salt up to your taste. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to spread this pizza sauce, or you can use that pasta sauce also, that is up to your choice. So you have to apply in the breads, in both the bread. So I applied that pizza sauce in both the bread, and I'm going to add these small chopped onions. So you can use olives, sun-dried tomatoes, anything, and some chopped capsicum. This recipe, the kids, they will love it guys. So this is done, and I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese into this top of the bread. And some oregano, and some chili flakes, so everything is ready guys, and some fresh basil. So I'm going to decorate this one with the basil. And I added some salt, that is up to your taste, how much salt you want. So I'm going to keep it in the microwave for 1 minute guys. So take a plate and keep the bread in the plate, and I'm going to keep it in the microwave, and we have to cook for up to 1 minute. So let's go. So I kept it in the microwave, and I'm going to close this lid, and I'm going to cook up to 1 minute. So 20 seconds left. Nice smell guys. So this is done. So can you see guys, the cheese is started melting. So this is the right way to cook the bread pizza. So yeah, so I'm going to remove this one. So my bread pizza is done, guys. If you want, you can cut it in the half. I want the full bread pizza. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make bread pizza at your home without any flour, and in just 1 minute, guys. See you soon in my another cooking video. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.